In this video, I want to finish the Funnel Builder tutorial website and add some content. I'm using my unlimited lifetime Influencersoft license here. So let's get started and click on Websites on the left side. Here is our main page that we have created before. So let's click on the site name. And now you want to click on Main Page. If you don't see that, you maybe want to watch one of the videos that we have created before. So far our main page has a header and a footer, but so far the content section is empty. So let's click on Edit. And here we can add a few components. So let's click on Edit and afterwards on Add Element. These are the so-called widgets. It is possible to insert a lot of different items here, but you could also go to Sections, click on Content, and you will find a lot of suggestions. You can pick the one you like. I will take this one and drag it onto the section. Here it is. I could now move around everything. Let's edit the video and change the video link here. I also want to change the text. You can change the color here. Let's pick bold and change the text size. A spell checker would be handy. So this is better. I want to align it to the center. So now we have a header, a video, some text. Let's add another section and drag it to the place right above the footer. I don't know who this guy is, so I would like to use one of my own images. And now you can edit the text. If you have ever used a word processing software, you will have no problem to adjust everything. This is just an example. I'm done for now. So let's click on Save Page. Later on we need to configure this button. That will take our leads to the course funnel. For now, please click on the little red door icon. Yes, we want to exit the editor. And when you click on the link for funnelbuildertutorial.com, which is my main site, you will see we now have a header, video content, some stuff below that I still need to remove. Here is the text section. And here we have the custom image and the custom text to describe the course. Our website is up and running. We have created 2 example funnels. We have created a course. And that's it for the basic version of the Funnel Builder video course tutorial. If you want more, all you need to do is to continue, and I will see you in the next video.